Welcome to CryptoQ. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Worldcoin and how to buy the Worldcoin if you're interested to get it, and how to get it for free, and also what I think about Worldcoin. I'm going to be sharing my views, and you guys can let me know your views in the comment section down below. Let's get down to the video. So Worldcoin is pretty much a crypto coin called Worldcoin, WLD, when you search it up on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap. And it was launched on the 24th of July 2023 by the co-founder of ChatGPT, OpenAI. And I've just been seeing this thing blow up everywhere. People are talking about it. Just the other day, I was by the mall and I just saw a really long line. And I was curious, only to find out that these people are opting to get the Worldcoin. So pretty much what is going on is that people are standing in line to get their eyes scanned. Once they get their eyes scanned, they're able to get the World ID. This allows them to participate on the World network, which allows them to get some Worldcoin, to get some tokens on the Worldcoin network. I've been seeing some people have been getting $5, $10, and I've heard some rumors some people have been getting $200. I'm just not really sure how much people are getting once they verify their eye and be a part of the Worldcoin network. So I'm not participating by going to get my eye scanned because I'm really curious about the security and the data collection that is going on. So I'm not necessarily going to be participating. The only thing I'm interested in is pretty much the investment side. So this is not financial advice, but I'm pretty much just going to buy the Worldcoin. I'll buy the Worldcoin and keep it, and if it goes up, I guess I'm going to make a profit out of it. Okay, so let me know in the comment section down below if you're participating. Have you got your eye scanned, or maybe you're interested in buying some Worldcoin? So I'm going to let you know how to buy some Worldcoin and all the exchanges you can buy the Worldcoin on. I'm personally going to be using Binance. So let's head over first to CoinGecko so that I can show you guys what the Worldcoin looks like on the CoinMarketCap, right? So right here, I'm on CoinGecko. And if I go to search, I'll search the Worldcoin right there, WLD. So currently right now it's $2.32 and it's 7% up in the last 24 hours. Okay, so if we head over to exchanges, these are all the exchanges you can buy the Worldcoin on. Number one is Binance, there is OKX, BitGet, Get.io, and so on. But I think the easiest to buy on is Binance. So I'm going to head over to Binance. If you're not registered on Binance, you find the registration link in the bio, and you'll be sure to get a discount after you register using my link. Head over to my wallet. As you can see, I have some USDT already. If you don't have some USDT, just buy some USDT either through P2P by heading over to the trade section right here. Then you go over to P2P, or you can just buy using your card by clicking buy with KES, Visa, MasterCard. It's pretty straightforward, but if you do not know how to do that, just let me know in the comment section down below, or you can search one of our videos on how to buy some crypto on Binance. Okay, so now assuming you already have some USDT, because that's one of the pairs, or you can buy with BTC, you head over to trade, right? You can either buy using the spot feature over here, but for the purpose of the video, I'm just going to keep it really easy. Just head over to convert and then search WLD, Worldcoin. You select that. I'm just going to max it out by $13 worth of Worldcoin. Preview conversion. I'm going to get 5.58 WLD. Just hit convert. And just like that, I've been able to buy some Worldcoin. Let's head over back. Let's go check my wallet. Yep. So as you can see right now, I have some WLD Worldcoin inside my wallet. So I'm just going to keep that over there. I'm interested to see where this goes, whether Worldcoin shoots to the moon. You never know. Maybe one Worldcoin is going to be $200 by the end of the year. Very speculative, but I'm interested to see where this thing is going to go. So let me know in the comment section down below if you have some Worldcoin. Have you got your eyes scanned already? And if you got your eyes scanned, how much Worldcoin did you get? Because I just bought $13 worth of Worldcoin. I got 5.5. Like, how much are you guys getting? All right, maybe I might be tempted to get my eye scanned. You never know. So definitely hit that notification bell to get notified every time I make an upload. Till next time.